Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to flush your cooling system using CT4 on your Kia Soul. Stay tuned. Make sure your engine is cold before you open this. We're going to go ahead and adjust the coolant level. Hook this up. Remove, turn this on. Alright, that's enough. Let's go ahead and install this funnel and add this cooling system cleaner. We're gonna go ahead and start the engine and let it run for 15 minutes. Alright guys, so while waiting, we can go ahead and prep our machine. This is a concentrate, so we can pour this in and add water so we can do the 50-50 mixture. Alright, let's go get some water. "15 minutes is up and it's time for transfusion." Alright guys, so this is almost done. I need some adjustments so I can add this conditioner. Alright, so I'm gonna let it run for a few minutes. While waiting, we can go ahead and adjust or empty this reservoir and fill it. Alright, so my coworker used this one earlier and he used pink coolant. Now we're just gonna go ahead and flush the line really quick. There we go. We're good right there. Now we can add and turn this one on. Right there. Cool. Now we are in the full mark. I did not spill anything, but I'd like to clean it. Alright, so that will do it. Just gonna go ahead and shut off the engine. Alright guys, that's just all done. No leak, clean. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.